gesture control robot for Bhadres and Group, Tajpur Polytechnic, Diploma, Electrical. Track belt 31 chain pieces. Track belt 31 chain pieces. Wheel for track belt. Dummy wheel for track belt. Suspension spring. Camera mounting bracket socket. Blower fan. 6 volt battery into 3. RF transceiver. 8089S52 8051 microcontroller, second version from Atmel Corporation. 7404 NOT gate IC, L298 or LS210PB motor driving IC, dual edge bridge. 78054 infrared object detector, which is placed here in front of robot, so you can avoid any obstacle. Motor connection terminal, screw terminal, power supply terminal, on off switch, VCC supply regulator IC, LM35 temperature sensor for stop robot to go into the fire, op-amp controller for converting analog temperature data to digital temperature data in 2-bit 0 or 1, filter capacitor, relay for actuating the motor, or a water cannon or a blow fan, anyone we can use. Now let's see the gesture of this robot, which is here. This is also 8051 family based 8089S52 microcontroller, which is from Atmel Corporation. This is RF transceiver, which is paired in this base station RF transceiver. So when it will send data, it will receive, and then microcontroller will react on this data. This is accelerometer, which we are using as a gesture control. This is op-amp IC, which can convert analog data to 2-digit digital data. These 4 are comparators for X and Y axis. We are not using this Z axis because we do not need it. These are LED indicators that we can found that what we are sending. Detailed view will be available in next video. This is reset switch. This is regulator. This is power connecting cable. This RF transceiver takes more power and more ampere to 1.2 ampere for long range and 8-bit digital data transfer. So we are using 12 volt 1.2 ampere battery. This is the guy. So now first we will on the blower fan. Please, blower fan, please. So till when we press this actuating switch here, the blower fan will be on, and when we release it, the blower fan will off, which is controlled by this relay and will be indicated by this LED. So when the LED and relay is on, blower is on. When it is off, blower off. Okay, now we can see demo for forward condition. Please. No, it is going to left. Okay, now press the switch. Now it is going to forward condition. Both the motors are going to forward. Now we will stop it. When it comes to the stable condition and the switch is pressed or not pressed, it becomes in the stable condition, it will stop. Now it is going back. So gesture is actuated in back condition. Now take it to the balance condition. Now the robot is stopped. Okay. Now move it to the left condition and press the switch. Now come make it to stable. Okay, make it left. First we have made right. Okay, when we get the gesture in a stable condition with x-axis 0 and y-axis 0, and we do not press the switch, it will become stop and steady where it is. Okay, thanks for watching. This was a gesture control robot demonstration via gesture mouse. Now we will see the object detecting module. So we have a switch here. Now it is not actuating, it is in sleep. You can see the object is detecting but no action is taking place. When we switch on this, now it will actuated. When the robot found any object in front of it in 4 to 5 centimeter area, it will go back automatically. So we can prevent any accident or obstacle hitting. It is called collision free devices. Partner of Badres Group.